big thank you note.
Yep. Onto the wing and back to the blue line for Bellemore. Long shot deflected right on. Bernier down. And it's underneath him. The second shot was a lot more difficult than the first one. Back in the old days, in the 50s and 60s, teams carried one goaltender. Jerry Topazzini, the former Boston Bruin, on 3 occasions. Here's a chance in front. Oh, what a save by Ward. Teammates down in Kitchener with the Rangers. That's a giveaway by Skinner and a chance for Bozak. Raymond trying to jump in. Does! What a save by Ward! Holy mackerel, that was a brilliant save.
Great play on a 2-on-1 rush. Here's the second one, and away they go. Not often can you complete the pass on a 2-on-1. Well done and a great stop.
And that's just about athletic ability. I mean, Ward does whatever he can just to get across and get any piece of his equipment on the puck. And a beautiful scramble play by the goaltender.
Stahl and Tulowitzki free it up. Gerby around back and goes swung it in front. And unable to get a piece of it. Now in front. Big save Bernier. Another pass in front. Down is Bernier. Puck is still free. They're banging away at it. And it goes wide of the net. And now played on the glass and out at center. And here's a 2-on-1 developing the other way. Lupul tearing to the net. Shot. Rebound. Down is Ward. Another shot. See that puck rolling at his feet. Leafs flip it in and it's quickly sent back out again. Pass on the left wing side. Bowman's around the defense and a goal. That save made by Bernier. Off the wall and pushed out at center ice. Josh Leivo and McClement. Leivo taking it to the net and a goal. What a shot over the glove and Josh Leivo gives the Leafs a 2-0 lead. Gardner sends it back. Riley with it once more. Now to Kadri. Kadri down low and into the corner to Raymond. Dishes off to Kadri. Thought about going to the front of the net. Comes back to Morgan Riley. Now back to Kadri again. Kadri down low. Centering pass. Lupul right on. There's a rebound. And Kadri was there but couldn't get the puck on his stick. Nice move here. Murphy's in. And he shot it wide off his stick. Skinner to Murphy. A drive. Scores! That's deflected. And into the net it goes.
And you think he'll always remember this? In Toronto, he's watched many Leaf games here. I know that as a young kid.
Did that not go off Boland's stick? Played in over the line by Stahl. Carl Gunnarsson goes after Yuri Tulowitzki and is able to play it up on the wing. Raymond trying to get to it but can't. Shot blocked, but Stahl in great position, scores!
Makes no mistake as he just whips it up over top of Jonathan Bernier. That's a terrific shot by a real good player. There's the initial play as Raymond can't trap the puck in the boards, and then the puck hits
Guns a loose puck in front of the goal, taken to safety by Kadri, but not cleared. And then Bellemore almost gave it away to Lupul. But on the far side, a drive, stopped by Bernier, rebound. High stick making contact. Wouldn't have been a goal, but the Leafs are able to get it free now to play it away from Kadri. Mirrored pass. This could be a nice. Scores! Oh my!
He just plain misplayed it. Was not touched, I believe, and as long as it's not touched, that's icing, and then it comes off the boards, and you can see the reaction by Jonathan Bernier on the play. He takes his eyes off the puck for a moment, and it goes off the inside of his skate.
5:20 to go to try and find an equalizer after a strange goal. Here's a chance for Skinner, stopped by Bernier, and he covers up on it. And into the corner it goes, Eric Stahl. Far side, Gardner, 6 seconds left. Punches it out at center. It's rattled away. That'll do it. A very strange ending to this hockey game.